way of classes for one intersection. But that's why I am attempting to finish still this afternoon. Isa po kayo ulit. Ikaw, matawag pala ng alas may ano na yun.
Even if I find a shirt.
In-chat na yung mga loved ones.
Even if I find a shirt.
So we have the topics left for steel. Those are your welded connections and bolted connections. Both are relatively easy. So relatively. For our sake, we still have columns. We have two topics for columns. Actually, we have actually loaded, no? Purely actually loaded, and I will try to discuss also. Importante po ito na may interaction diagram for biaxial bending column. Columns mangot, no? Like your beams, laterally supported basically because of the slab. Your columns will buckle both sides, no? Both ways, depending kung asa earthquake, for example. So, pwede siya sa left, right, pwede siya sa front, back, basta direction. So, biaxial bending, it has implications as to how will your column will support the loads. Okay, axial loading man from the structure. Tungan dahil siya sa lateral loads, no? Your wind or your earth. I will try to it's somehow, I'm not sure if it's complicated. Medyo siya putin. Because we're looking at some graphs in order for us to determine the loading or the capacity of our columns. Okay, but for now, let's proceed with the purely axial or axially loaded columns. Although in our code, no, nasa yung gamay eccentricity allowed, no? That's 10% of the largest dimension, I think, of your column. So if it's within that eccentricity sa inyong loading, so it's still considered as actually loaded. So I will no longer dwell on describing on say columns, so you've probably seen it, na-discuss ko natin sa steel, no? Its behavior, kung taas kahit siya, or bubuk tayo. Of course, no, some of the concepts will be the same. But, of course, no, since concrete man siya, of course, nalang siya nanda siya mga, unlike your steel, no, na backplate na iyang portion, the columns, on the other hand, is na siya ang liquid na siya in case of failure. Okay. So, by definition from our NACP, let's define this technically. So, by definition, your column is a member, and it is usually vertical or predominantly vertical. May column na ilalim ko yung ilalim yung pasta. Kita mo niya na ako. Nasa Missouri. Nandiyan sa ipunan ng cafe, sa ipunan dito. May car wash yung naipunan sa mga. Kaya itong mga gasoline station, may nakaliter Y galing gasoline station, I'm not sure the name. May ibang puno na, yung liter Y. Those are reinforced columns. So, I reinforced concrete columns. So, yeah, so something like that. But, still, action should be supporting the vertical axis of your stuff. Okay? And obviously, this is used to support your axial really called tension. Okay, there are cases in which your columns will be in tension. Okay, so if you recall your atong bitaw yung ganahan ng calculator or total method. Diba kung dili ang P kay linis siya kay paano? Linis siya kay mong up. Linis siya kay compression. Linis siya kay mong tension. But we will still decide if ikan siya sa compression. Okay. So yes, it will resist movement. Of course, if rigid naman yung condition like that, so there should be a resistance to movement and your shear, of course, and as well as torsion. Okay, so I don't think we will be able to discuss the parameters for torsion, but igsuod naman din sila kamay, so like kamay changes or differences sa equation, but the idea is the same. So mag-stirrup ang kaali, mag-stirrup yung kaali. And by the way, for columns, we are calling that as ties, lateral ties. So stirrup niya po niya function. Mura mang group na naanda na yun na kung beam, stirrup. So column, ties, or hoops. Later, mentioning the hoops of our circular columns. Okay. So again, although that's a definition from NEC 2015, and in addition, your columns are used as part of lateral force system. So lateral force systems, lateral load, resist. That's why you have an action load by movement and of course your shear also. So aside from column, you also have this it's still column, pero sa ato yung same parang siya divide. So that's your pedestal. So pedestal is a member in which the ratio of height to its lateral dimension is less than or equal to 3. Okay? And it's used primarily to support your axial resolution. So, hindi na common makita sa mga steel na structure. Okay? So to prevent your steel columns, your base plate, and mga stiffeners, and more importantly, mga bolts, to prevent that from touching the ground, taya man ang atong steel kung maka-touch na sa ground. So, i-elevate siya, no? So, that elevation is by means of pedestal. Okay? So, may specific height as long as height is so greater than or equal or less than or equal to 3 feet. Kaya pasabot na less than or equal to 3 feet. Yes. What do you ang steel? Wala. Na-display ani i-welding ang kining mga anchor bolts ko yung naka-tuog din sa atong pedestal. So, ang finish siya, dili lagi na nagpunit. Ipinitin na siya nag-stiffener to avoid. So, wala na siya. Kung ka ng mga inato, mga ala ka siguro, mga ordinary lang na shed. So, para makatipid, i-mount yung pedestal. Para makatipid, so for example, pipe, ilubong lang yan. Pang-building dito sa stira. If mga inato. Okay? So, if kaya na siya critical, hindi siya mag-pose of great na threat ng ikaso kubo. So, may kaso. Pero, for structural, seryoso yung structural, naka-display. Of course, any computer na dapat should be including this also sa itong steel unta, no? Para we can accommodate. So in your board review, it might be discussed. Anyway, simple na yun. This is just force over the area. Kuha na yung thickness. Magkay force from the column. And then strength is force over the area. May stress required. So mapara rin. So it's basically simple information. That's why like kulay na siya discuss, no? Just in case na hindi na ma-accommodate. Kini your bolts, supposedly ito discuss sa computer. Okay. And then, yeah, so moving back to our, so okay na pa? Yung question. So, nakapatong na lang sila, kanang, ang plate lang, base plate, with namin ang bolts, okay, ang bolts, and then, hindi na yung gloves ko nito sa ilalo, no? Para sa iyang footing na dahil. So, bubok na basically. So, depends on the structural engineer. Pinayang gusto. 1 meter, 80 cm, ganun. So, depende sa uban. Kaya tagas kayo. I've seen structures na tagas kayo na supposedly pedestal, pero hindi na siya namawang pedestal. Hindi po siya nag-qualify na siguro na short na ito sa steel. Inapas na lang something. Okay, and then so in your steel, may mga sections, no? Wire flange, bars, channels. For our RC, we will be basing also the classification based on the shape. And also, no, we will be calling our column based on the type of transverse reinforcement. So, meaning mga spirals, no, or lateral ties, hooks. And then also, no, based on the slenderness. Short na siya or long, slender na siya. So, that's actually length versus your cross section. So, naman tayo is steel, no, we have our elastic and inelastic packing. So, ako din no, like on the style sa atong parts. So, for shape, of course, very common. Kita mo na yung mga nyo. Rectangular, square, and your circular. So, those are the most common. No, although, honestly, no, so far in my practice, kailangan ko rin kung suway o construct of lining ng ulo. Lisod kaya sa pumahon. Lisod kaya sa pumahon. And then, yeah, lisod niya. Lisod na siya ka na, dapat kung may pattern. Dapat yung pattern para lining ka. And somewhere along the coding, di man malikay ko sa'yo naman ay mubuto dapat, mubuto ang inyong formworks. Okay? So, bulbs na rin na sila. Sila sa STD code, no? So that's why I'm going away with the circular columns. Although, nakachana sa circular columns is that it has a more uniform moment of inertia. So, unlike rectangular na diri nga axis lingkod siya, no? Taas man. Pero sa tika side, dali siya mo bend, no? Kay bubuk man ang iya sa tawag ni bubuk ang iya diri. But for your circular columns, it's uniform regardless kung asang ibuk ang atong force. So, tsada siya actually. Kada siya in terms of strength. But it's, for me lugar, it's somewhat medyo siya labat sa ulo kay isod man na siya itago sa kanto. Especially if you don't like na may mga tunga sa pagpulot na column. Okay, so isod na siya itago. So, buhaton po for walls, for example, mga system naman ay mga circular columns. Okay? So, ang buhaton na is i-cover na lang